Pinkalicious.
Okay, read the book.
Pinkalicious.
Okay.
Pinkalicious. It was a rainy day. Pinkalicious and she ran into the... Mommy just tell her what color she wants. Pink. She wanted pink and she ran to the kitchen. She liked Pinkalicious. She opened the cake and ate one cake, hold one cupcake and eat. She said, Mommy, I want some more cupcakes. Can you please give me one? Yeah, I want some Pinkalicious. How could we eat my Pinkalicious? It was too rainy. She ate one cupcake and she said, Some more, Mommy, I want some more cupcakes. Mommy just gave her one cupcake. She ate it all up and she washed her hands and then go to the kitchen and then she ate some more cupcakes. One berry left in the kitchen was so good and she ate one. She ate one so much and she's tummy was rumbling so much. She ate one piece and then it went in her tummy for her shoulders. She ate some cupcakes and she said, Some more, Mommy. She said, Mommy, can I have some more cupcakes? And she got to go. She put her shoes on and then she has to go. She put her pants, shirt, and then she had to go. She had to go really much. For her daddy was going nuts and what's that called again?
I don't know. You turn the page.
Okay.
Okay, read now.
Her dad reached into the toilet. She was stuck into the light and she was not opening herself. She stuck and her Pinkalicious don't have to stay.
What is that? What is that?
Daddy farted. And what's that? Her ear. And Pinkalicious, she was pink, her tumbly. What's this called again?
Tummy.
Tummy was rumbling a lot. And she was taking baths. The pink won't go off. His rubber ducky was there and it was saying quack, quack, quack. She ran into the kitchen and put the carpet there and then her purse was go, go, go. And turn it.